guys, look at these pheno crisps. See how blue they look? Wow. Oh, fish. Come on, I'm trying to film the pheno crisps. Very nice. Look at them. Your hands look red, you know. And this one right here. That's an interesting little landslide for the crystals that he's got in it. All this basalt has look at this one. Yeah, all of it. There's a big one over there. You guys see that one? Pretty cool. So you got a what?
Oh, good fish in the water.
Oh yeah. So it's kind of hard to like see because everything's got like this fine coating of ice on it. But those are cool, right? This one. Oh, and there's one of those black ones. Did you put your gloves on, honey? This is very interesting stuff. Okay, well there's more in the backpack. There's some red ones in the backpack. Put them on. This is interesting too, right? Look at I wish it wasn't so cold and I could actually like see them better. I'm gonna have to stop here, you guys, and get both these glasses. Gloves. Look at the ice. Isn't that cool? Ice crystals and rock crystals, all in one video. All the cool things you get to see here. And our just film stuff for fun. Oh, it's nice. I like the formations of the crystals. They're cool, right? Look at that. We'll call this ice video. My hand's so cold. I gotta stop now. Did you find some?